Well, as you can see behind me, the Cutlass is still here. Everyone cried, you gotta try to sell that, don't scrap it, someone's gonna want it, someone's gonna pay a lot of money for it, it's worth a lot. People frigged me around, come and kick the tires, offer me $100. I've had enough. That's going to the scrapyard. On the other hand, I picked up some gold yesterday. Picked up this '79 Caprice 2-door Landau coupe. When I was underneath chaining it on the trailer, I noticed it's got a factory posi rear end with sway bars. The kid said it hasn't been running in a couple years, so we're going to try to fire it up. We'll do a little bit of a walk around here. Body looks pretty straight on this. No rot. The only rust I really seen starting was right here. They usually rust bad around the rear windows. It's missing the Landau coupe, should say that right here. When it has this half vinyl roof like that, that's what makes it the Landau coupe. If it didn't have the vinyl, it would be just a sport coupe. This one has the rare option of the moonroof, and of course this cool rear window, the 3 sides. This I just saw this window last night on eBay for $1,600. The guy wanted for a rear window for this. So one of the tires had a hole in it. It was stuck in the ground. Fortunately, I didn't get any video of all that fun yesterday, but it was more aggravation than fun. It took a while to get this thing on the trailer. So I brought this Monte Carlo rim and threw it on there just so I could roll it easy. But I do have all 4 of the rally rims, which is pretty cool. That tag right there means it's a posi. It's got some Vortex mufflers on it. Frame looks pretty solid from what I can see so far. As I said, it's been sitting 2 years. Of course, I rolled it out of the driveway and hit the brake pedal, and that went to the floor, so probably going to need some brake lines, but this thing's potentially worth a lot of money. Oh. A pack of Lucky Strikes. I love that kind. Cleaned it out. Oh yeah. Cleaned it right out for me. This is that tire that was on there. Nice, huh? A couple spare batteries. Some mouse shit. I love it. So we'll see if we can get some power into this thing and see if we can't turn the fucking key, huh? Well, I just got the battery in. Let's see, oh, a couple lights came on. See if these windows work. Oh yeah, work. Oh, other one don't work. She cranks. Chooching. Oh yeah. That old ratty 305 is chooching away. 2 years. Hasn't been started in 2 years. A little bit of gas in the carb. Doesn't even sound too bad. I love that smell of the old gas. Got the old fuel economy, max it out. Oh. Should have left it alone. Not ready yet. Oh yeah. Alright. Oh yeah. Oh, trunk button works. Have an old Lucky Strike. Son of a bitch. None left. Someone chooched them all. Oh yeah. Oh. I don't like that. Alright, we got it up on the lift and it looks pretty good. Factory posi. Frame looks nice and clean. Got some square vortex mufflers on it. This exhaust is pretty custom. Instead of going down here and cutting a notch in the cross member like you have to do on these cars, they made a little custom crossover pipe, and they just brought it in and then brought the two close, and then it just splits off. Pretty cool. Got one minor gas leak right there at the bottom of the pump. No big deal. Transmission didn't want to move, so I added a couple quarts of fluid and went right into gear. Those rocker panels, no rust.